Hi and welcome to our Linux commands tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about configuring network interface. Configuring network interfaces in Linux involves setting up and managing the network connections on your system. This process is essential for enabling communication between your Linux machine and other devices or networks. Here's an overview of the key concepts and steps involved. 1. Understanding network interfaces. A network interface is a hardware or software component that connects your device to a network. Commonly, it's associated with a physical network adapter, like Ethernet, or a virtual interface, like Wi-Fi. 2. Configuration files. In Linux, network interfaces are configured using text-based configuration files. The location of these files may vary based on your Linux distribution. Common locations include /etc/network/interfaces for Debian-based systems and /etc/sysconfig/network scripts/ for Red Hat-based systems. 3. Manual configuration. You can manually configure network interfaces by editing the appropriate configuration file using a text editor like Nano or Vim. Here's an example of a simple configuration for an Ethernet interface. This configuration sets a static IP address, 192.168.1.2, netmask, and default gateway for the interface. 4. Dynamic configuration with DHCP. Alternatively, you can configure interfaces to obtain their network settings dynamically using DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Here's an example. This configuration instructs the interface, Eth0, to obtain its IP address and other network settings automatically from a DHCP server. 5. Applying changes. This can be done by restarting the network service or rebooting your system. 6. Verification. Use commands like ifconfig or IP address show to verify the current configuration of network interfaces. This helps ensure that the changes you made have been applied successfully. Understanding how to configure network interfaces is fundamental for connecting your Linux system to a network, whether it's a local area network, LAN, or the broader Internet. Depending on your use case and preferences, you can choose manual or dynamic configuration methods.